Hi guys! Welcome back to Kaydence Things and Who's. Today we're going to be doing some math because on my live Facebook call on my grandma's phone, which I'm filming with right now, some of you said you wanted to learn math. So, we're going to work on making rays, okay? So we're going to start with the number 15. So let me take my marker here. And there are many ways to make 15, right? But in order to make rays, you're going to make rows, or you're going to make rows of one number. You need it to be equal, else the ray won't work right. So I'm going to draw. So one of the ways that we probably think of with groups of even numbers for 15 is 5. So I'm going to draw 3 rays of 5s. So 3 groups of 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's my first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's my second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's my third row. So we're going to circle those rays or groups of 5. And we're going to write 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. So you want to know something that will blow your mind? If you're watching this right now, you're doing multiplication. Yes, multiplication has times in it. So this would be 3 times 5 equals 15. So times means groups, basically. It just means time. You see that X right there? The times symbol just means groups. So let's see if it makes sense when we say groups in the time spot. 3 groups, 5. So it's like saying 3 groups of 5 equals 15. And we have that right there. So yes, that is correct. It still makes sense. 3 times 5 equals 15. Correct. 3 groups of 5 equals 15. Correct. So that's basically all it means. Let's do another one, shall we? Let's erase the board. Let me think here. Let's do 9. Actually, I want to do 8. Okay, 8, right? So, guess what? There's 2 ways I'm thinking of. I'm going to draw 2 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now look, I'm going to circle those 2 groups of 4 because we're pairing them. They're like a team. Since they're equal number, they're a team. That's what I like to think about. But there's also another way to make 8. Sorry about the light conditions. We're going to take it, and now watch this. I'm going to circle 2, because 2 plus 2 equals 4. So we're going to split the 8 into 4 and split the 4s into 2s. Ta-da! So we're going to put 4 plus 4 or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. Okay, let me see if I can get a little closer to you guys because the light is terrible. There, that's better, right? So we are now going to write, ooh, this is kind of tricky. We're now going to write, now look, we're going to do the commutative property. So when you can do two things with those two groups, we're going, with a group, we're going to put 4 times 2 equals 8, and 2 times 4 equals 8. So yeah, that's all it is. Now, I'm in 2nd grade. And when you go into 3rd grade, my teacher, Mr. Spalding, shout out to you, Mr. Spalding, if you're watching this, he said in 3rd grade, this is going to get harder. We're going to move on really bigger. So it'll be hard to do it in those ways. So in 3rd grade, teachers are going in the drawing. So in 3rd grade, teachers are going to teach us an easier way. So when I get into 3rd grade and I find that way out, I will let you guys know. Let's think. Want to do one more? Let's do 9. That's an easy one. Okay. Actually, let's do 12. We're going to do 12 now. I can erase this thingy. Okay, 12. We're going to write 12 at the top so we don't forget what the number is. And now, we're going to, let's think. Oh, so there's 2 ways. So, you guys, guess what? I came up with 4 different ways to make 12. You want me to read them to you? There's 6 plus 6. That's kind of a classic. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 4 plus 4 plus 4. And 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. There's so many ways to make 12 and so many ways to make different numbers. I can't wait to see you next time in the next video on Kaydence's Things in His. Bye, guys.